Okay, so here's a quick video of my music playing connected to my iPad with the radio on with a jack lead. Increase the volume. So the speaker works, the lead works. My projector doesn't live on the couch. It's just there for, sorry, I'm not very good at this. It's just there for showing this. So now I take the jack lead out of, in fact before I do that, I'll press play on Netflix. Oh Christ, it's gone off. Play. I press play on Netflix. And you'll be able to hear the speaker working on the projector. When I take out the jack lead from the radio and put it into
Lucy,
external,
tell me what's so interesting about that wall.
an external connection here,
That wall. You're sweet.
it stops working. So everything's set up as usual with my speaker, auxiliary.
Towers with 4 families to an
Even put it
apartment.
in the wrong connection, the correct connection.
It's just me.
It stops working.
To my 250